Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Ford, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2017 Ford Explorer 3.5. So right now the problem is with the check engine light, and I'm going to show you the code, engine code, memory code. So the code is for the crank ventilation valve right here, crankcase ventilation valve. That's the code number. Let me check the pending. The pending also the same thing. For the crankcase ventilation valve, which is this one right here. This is the sensor that's mounted onto the hose right here. But the first thing you're gonna check for is the PCV valve here. You're gonna put in a flathead right here. Put on this little tab right here. Pry it up and then turn it left so you can take out the PCV. So once you take out the PCV, there's going to be like a valve in there. It's going to be, when you shake it, it's going to go up and down. That's normal, and it's going to feel like a little bit loose right here. So I checked it, I took it out, I checked it. The PCV valve is okay, it's not clogged or anything, but when you shake it, you're going to hear like a little valve jumping. That's normal, but this is the problem here. For the code, it says disconnected. To me, it's not disconnected at all. Everything is tight and firm. Sensor could be reading the signal wrong, but I'm gonna check the connector. Unplug the connector. You're gonna press on this tab, pull it here. Check the pin inside. Make sure the pin inside is not damaged, bent, or corroded. Everything's good. Check the wires in the back. Make sure it's not broken or ripped. It's also good. So this is majority of the time, this is the problem right here. So to take out this line right here, you see this gray tab right here. Press on it and pull. Same thing to this one. This little gray tab right here. You're gonna press on it like that. Oh, this one's kind of tight. Pull right there. Press on it and then just pull. And then you're gonna take out the whole assembly like this. I don't know why it says disconnected, but the sensor could be going bad, intermittent. I have the new parts here. This is OEM from Ford. This is the part number right here. That's the part number. New ones look like this, exactly the same. Now this one's also the same thing, PCV valve. If you want to take it out, you're gonna use a flathead or a pick. You're gonna pick both sides of this tab up and then twist it left. But I checked it, the valves looks okay. This is my old one, so I'm gonna throw out the old one. I'm gonna put the new one back. Put it on this side. Put it on this side. Oh, I gotta put it under this one. There you go, make sure it clicks. Put this one back. This one also clicked. I'm gonna put back the connector. Where's my connector? Oh, right here. Put this back into the hose. Clip the connector back, it clicks. That's good. So majority of the time it's gonna be this crank ventilation valve that's going bad. You can double check the PCV valves too. This one and this one also the same thing. The PCV valve looks okay to me, so this is the problem. Now I have the key on. I'm gonna show you the check engine light code again one more time. There you go, that's the code. So double check the PCV valve when you guys take it out. Look under it if it's not clogged or anything, if it's dirty or anything that's clogging the PCV valve, replace that. And most of the time it's going to be the crankcase ventilation valve, which is the sensor on top of the line. The hose, the line is just a line, but the sensor that always go bad. So I'm gonna clear the check engine light and take this out for a test drive. This problem is very common. Code clear. That's it. Turn off the car. turn it back on. There you go. That's it, guys. So that is it for this video. Just a crankcase ventilation valve replace. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.